yeah, I just wanted to show that I finally got the animation stuff to work again within the engine. After playing around with sound and everything, it just wouldn't work. I hadn't had that much time at all, but at least now it looks somewhat like a game inside. There's not much to say, not much has changed, except that now he has animations that are dependent on his current speed. So for instance, this is just the idle animation, standing and not doing anything. A walk animation with some fall animation. The longer he falls, the more exaggerated his expression in the eyes will look. Yeah, there's not much to say to that. Just wanted to show that off.